Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We're just gonna jump right into it. I'm doing a DIY hair conditioner. So what you guys gonna need is some bananas, organic of course, some coconut oil. You guys also gonna be needing some honey. This is also organic wildflower honey that I am using. You guys also gonna use Jamaican black castor oil. This is not avocado oil. I finished all the avocado oil, so this is the Jamaican black castor oil in that container. Some grapeseed oil. I'll list all the benefits of all these oils down below. Some apple cider vinegar, organic with the mother, of course. And in this container we have olive oil. That's where we keep our extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to use about 2 bananas. Oh, you guys also going to need a Nutra, like a blender, or Nutra if you have the Ninja, that'll work as well. And this is a deep conditioner that I use to grow my hair super long. So if you want some long hair, girl, you better make this deep conditioner. Of course, everything in this video is organic and all natural. You guys know that I like organic stuff or all natural stuff for my skin, my body, our home. The products that we use are all non-toxic and all that good stuff. So you're gonna need 2 bananas, and some benefits of the bananas. These are organic, of course. It softens the hair, it prevents breakage, control dandruff, improve shine and manageability, and also moisturize. So girl, get you some bananas, get some organic ones. I'm using 2, but you can use as many as you like. It depends on the length of your hair. All the oils and everything that I use is going to be with 1 tablespoon. So 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil, which is really rich in vitamin E. It prevents frizz, split ends, brittle hair, and it also nourishes the hair follicle. Next, I'm going to be using the Jamaican black castor oil, which everybody knows is just like the holy grail to have stronger and thicker hair. It minimizes hair breakage and all that good stuff. Prevents dry, itchy scalp, all that good stuff. So next we're going to use the extra virgin olive oil, which is really rich in vitamin E as well. It's good for dandruff, a healthy scalp, seals in moisture, and nice hair growth. And then we're going to move on to the apple, I think it's apple cider vinegar, what I'm reaching for. There we go. The coconut oil, which is really good. It penetrates the hair shaft, helps with split ends and breakage, good for dandruff. Also it's antifungal, antiviral, and antibacterial. So if you guys have any lice problems in your hair, I don't have those problems, child, but if you do, get you some coconut oil. That's really good. I know, like, yeah, I never had that issue in my life, and nobody in my family has. So if you do have that issue, get you some coconut oil, girl. Put that thing in your scalp. I'm not re-recording this, and everything's gonna be just as it is, because editing takes forever, okay? Y'all gonna love me because, you know, keeping it real with y'all. So next we're gonna use some honey, which is like, I use honey for everything, but some benefits of it prevents damage, it strengthens the hair follicles, a humectant, so it draws moisture into your hair and helps maintain it, and also it's nice for some shine, some nice shine. We don't want no dull hair out in these streets. Get you some shine. You also can use honey to like cleanse your face. I used to use that a lot. It had my skin glowing. I love honey. Now I know you guys gonna be like, why she putting apple cider vinegar? But apple cider vinegar is good for the scalp. It balances the pH. It balances the pH in your hair, make it less frizzy, prevents bacteria growth, and it makes your hair very smooth. So after you get a tablespoon of all that goodness, you're just gonna put it in a blender and whatever you have, and go ahead and mix it on up. If you have this actual Ninja, hit the smoothie one, the smoothie button. Look at all that goodness. And I still had enough left over for another treatment, so 2 bananas is good for like 2 treatments. So if you use 1 banana, I'm guessing it will be good for 1 treatment, but like I said, it depends on how long your hair is. Right now my hair is to my bra strap. Yes, girl, to my bra strap. I grew my hair to my bra strap within a year after one of my big chops. I think that was like after my 3rd or 4th. I had so many big chops I can't keep up with it. So you want some long, nice, full hair, do this treatment as much as you like. It'll strengthen your hair for sure, and definitely give you shine and maximize your length retention, so you don't have that many breakage or split ends. So Now we're gonna, you see all that good creaminess? This is the consistency I like. You can blend it to how much you like, I don't know. But my hair is all nice and clean. I washed it already, and I think I did a protein treatment. This video is pre-recorded, so I can't remember what I did that day, but I know I washed it, so my scalp is clean, and the shrinkage is REAL, okay? You see the shrinkage? My hair's to my broad strap, and look how shrinkage my hair is. If you guys wondering, I have 4A, B, and C hair, mainly 4B and 4C, and definitely in my nape. Callie, why are you? Don't be messing up my voice over. Jeez. And my nape is 4A. So all I'm gonna do, this thing can get messy, so you can put like a towel over you, but hey, it didn't really get that messy for me. It was still thick enough to the point where I didn't have to really worry about all the mess. So I'm just gonna apply it to my hair after I just look at it and just do whatever. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just playing with it, pretty much. So yeah. I don't know what I was doing right there. Why did I do that? Why did I zoom in, zoom back out? Well, I'm already doing this voiceover. We ain't doing it again. So just apply it onto your hair, onto clean hair. You also want to massage it into your scalp as well, because like I said, all the benefits of the apple cider vinegar is really good for your scalp, and the antibacterial. So you can rub it in your scalp if you want. If you don't want to, then it's okay. Just put it on your hair. You want some long, nice hair, go ahead and do this treatment. You guys need to remember that moisture is key, as well as drinking a lot of water and eating right. That all falls into good hair, good skin. So, I mean, you can't expect to do this and think you're gonna get it overnight. Your hair just gonna grow so long. You have to take care of your skin. To take care of your hair, you gotta drink a lot of water, gotta eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. And I do that all the time, so my hair grows really fast, and that's why I tend to cut it off all the time, because it just be too much for me, girl child. So yeah, I'm just putting it all over my hair. Make sure I'm paying close attention to my ends, because all of these oils are really good with split ends. So we want to make sure any split ends or any breakage is getting, good at the ends. Also, the ends is the oldest part of your hair, so you want to make sure you pay close attention to that, as well as your roots. Like, you don't want little small hairs by the top of your roots, because then you would realize it's breakage. So just distribute this all over your hair. I fast forwarded for you guys. So yeah. I'm giving y'all some hair shots right there. Some hair shots. A little bit of hair shots. This is like, my curls are loving it. My curls are already popping with this. So girl, you got some 4C hair? Come on, girl. Just go ahead and do this right here. I got y'all. So yeah, this is like me. Just, I don't know what I was doing. I'm just looking in the camera, but yeah. That was my last section that I was putting the deep conditioner in. So I usually do either 6 sections or 4 sections. When I do 4 sections, it's because I'm too lazy and I really don't have time to be sitting there all day. So I do 6 sections, and then I'm also gonna put a shower cap over my head, as you guys will be seeing an upcoming clip. I'm gonna put a shower cap over my hair. You can go under a steamer. You can do whatever you like. This day I didn't feel like going under the steamer, because I also didn't want this to be dripping all over me, because all that steam and then it'd be dripping all over me, and I'm like, I don't have time for that. So just some back shots of it. Look sis, you done missed the part. Yes, you did. And look at her. I missed another part right there. Child, when on wash days, I'll just be trying to get it done, like, because it takes forever with this thick hair. The shrinkage is so real. But I'm gonna put it under a shower cap. I left it in actually for an hour that day, because I was cleaning around the house. Every time I wash my hair, I'm always cleaning around the house. Like, I have to make sure I clean the tub. I have to clean up around myself while I do my wash day, because I can't stand everything to be so dirty. So yeah, Left that in for an hour. This is like after the hour. I'm showing you how it is on my hair before I rinse it out. So that's what that is. That's how it's looking. Nice and succulent and juicy. You guys make sure all of your, the better it is for you to get all organic of these ingredients that I listed earlier. So everything that I listed is organic. If you can't get it organic, that's fine. It's still gonna get the great benefits, but if you can't get it organic, get organic. All these are cheap. It's affordable. I guess I was really feeling how juicy it was looking, because I've been doing this for a long time. Okay, Nicole, they see, girl. They see it. You need to go wash it out. Go wash it out. So this is it. I basically t-shirt dry my hair. Pretty sure most naturals do that. And this is my hair after the treatment is out. Looks very shiny. I want to show you guys my clean scalp. My hair was so soft and like, yes, I love doing this treatment. I love it. I also do a lot of treatments with avocados as well. If you guys want a video with a DIY avocado deep conditioner, let me know. Look at my curls. Yes, these are my curls. My curls was loving this after I washed it out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys follow us on our Instagram, because I'm always posting on there. So follow us, like this video, and share this video, and we will catch you guys in our next one. Bye.